Assalamu alaikum. Did you all know about shaheen falcon? Or if you don't know about shaheen falcon, so I can explain you what is shaheen falcon, what is shaheen bird called in English. Is shaheen and falcon same? What is the world's fastest falcon, and is falcon found in Pakistan? The shaheen falcon is a non-migratory subspecies of the peregrine falcon found mainly in the Indian subcontinent. It has also been described as a migratory subspecies. Other common names for the subspecies include the black shaheen and India peregrine falcon. Is shaheen and falcon same? The shaheen falcon, scientific name Falco, peregrinator, is a subspecies of a peregrine falcon and usually feed on small and medium-sized birds. What is shaheen bird called in English? Peregrine falcon. What is the world's fastest falcon? The peregrine falcon, as swift as a speeding arrow and more rapid than a cheetahs. The peregrine falcon is the fastest member of the animal kingdom with a driving speed of more than 200 miles per hour. Is falcon found in Pakistan? Every year falcon escape the harsh Siberian winter and fly thousands of miles to warmer regions, including southern Pakistan. During the migratory season, wildlife traffickers descend on villages along the Arabian Sea coastlines, offering fishermen catch to briefly abandon their boats and try their hand at poaching.